NIT Manipurda mahei Tamliba Singna Awonba India ama Semba Ngamnabagi pandamda Anouba Thabak Thouramsing Paikhatpiyu haina Indian Institute of Technology Bhubaneshwar hanagi Director Professor Ratnam Kumar na appeal toukhre wafomasing say National Institute of Technology NIT Manipur ki taramathoy suba convocation ki thouramda mahakna phungdokhibani Langoda Leiba Institute asigi campus ta NIT Manipur ki Board of Governors ta yauba Vasrang Lal Bagrana preside Tauraga Pangthokiba convocation ki thouram aduda Ratnam Kumar na hai mahei Singna chahi kaya chang na tamlakpa mahei adu convocation ke numit asida ayambana mapung fare haina launaribani ngasigi numit asida degree ki certificate fanglaba pumnamak mahakna ikai khumnaba utli Loinana mahei Singna ngasigi lemjiningai oiraba degree ki certificate asibu fangnaba hotnabada Chokta Banaidana Hotnakiba NIT Manipur staff Pumna Maksu Tagatpa Fundukli, Ngasidagi, Chahitara Manga Romgi Mamangda, Linkatkiba NIT Manipur na Mahei Singda Quality Education Pibagi Matakta, Tongan ba Lamda, Kaya Tongan ba Lam Kayada Manipuramati, India Gidamak, Angamba Thaudang Lodi, Lebak Asida Ladiba NIT Singna, Malemda India gi Anouba Masak Ama Takpada Maru Oiba Thaudang Lawragilakli, Masimak na Ngasidi Technology gi Lamda, Indiana Singthaningai Oiba Fida Ama Malem gi Pambak Taktak Kanba Ngamlakli. NIT Manipur na leba asigi masak thokpa miyoi kaya puthorakani haibagi thazaba chawna lei Institute asigi mahei Singna so leba kidamak afaba service pige haibagi wakhalon legedabane ngasigi fangliba degree asina imung manung khak nungaina ba hotnaroidabane lebak asida Awonba ama purakke haibagi wakhalonda anou-anouba Thabak Thouramsing Paikhatuna Awonba India amagidamak thabak tawwa chumme Bachelor of Technology ki program ase kaihandana NIT Manipur da National Education Policy 2020 ase tangkak naina chatnaba haunabage Thabak Thouramsing Paikhatnaba hotnabiyu thawong asina mahei Singda Anouba lawshin kaya amasu tanshinba ngamgani hainasu Professor Ratnam Kumar na makatana phungdokhi amaromda ngasigi convocation aduda tongan ba lamgi graduates Chani Nifu Marida degree gi certificate sing Lanthoke, graduates Mangada topper gi gold medal Lanthoke Bagaloinana, graduates Amada chairman gold medal Lanthokna Ikai Kumnaba Utke.
I like to impress upon that it is feasible to implement NEP 2020 without hampering the major of a typical BTech program. I accordingly make a recommendation to NIT Manipur to see that you implement NEP 2020 going by the features, maybe in phases without hampering the strength of a major program, the major of a BTech program. Dear graduating students, now you have the key to leap forward with the sky being the only limit. Now explore the world, carving a niche for yourself. As we say, knowing and doing are important. By being what you are makes all the difference in life